guys, thanks for stopping by. Today I have a Boxycharm to share with you. This is the August edition. If you want to see what's in the box, just keep watching. So here's the box, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on the inside. This is what the box looks like on the inside, and you do always get a list of what is in the box. And they always do a good job with packaging, so there's always this foam layer that protects everything that's inside. And that is what is in the box, and I'm going to bring this in closer before I even touch it and look at it. Oh, and right away I see some Becca. That looks interesting to me. So I'm going to pull these out one by one and we'll talk about them. Now the first thing that I see in the box is a mascara by the brand Tarte, and it is called Big Ego, and they show a very dramatic before and after picture, and I really do like volumizing mascaras, so I think I'm going to put this in the keep pile. And the next thing that I see is a tube by Wander Beauty. It's called Glow Ahead, and it is an illuminizing facial oil. And I've been into facial oils lately. I have very dry skin, so I actually am going to put this in the try and keep pile as well. So let me bring that in for you to see. So the next thing I see in the box are two eyeshadows, and at a glance I really thought these were ColourPop. They look identical in packaging, and they look like the same type of texture as well. These are shimmer eyeshadows, and I already know that these typically don't work for me, especially the pink color. The pink color is called Cotton Candy, and I'm sure it would look great on someone younger. I know that I'm not going to use it. And then there's one that's called Iced Latte, and I will have to actually try this to be able to tell if it's going to work for me or not. Typically, the only place that I put shimmer eyeshadow on is on the center of the lid, because I have hooded eyes and aging eyes, so I don't put any type of shimmer in the crease or above the crease. So I'll bring these in and show these to you one at a time so that you can see the color. This is the Iced Latte, and again, that's by Ace Beauty, even though it looks identical to ColourPop to me. And this is the one that they're calling Cotton Candy. Now, I already know I won't use this, so this will go to a niece. So the next thing I see in the box is a lip liner, and it's by the brand Steve Laurent. I've never heard of this particular brand. It does look like it's a nice neutral color though. It's called Chic. The color is called Chic. And I'm actually going to put this in the keep to try pile. The final item that I see in the box is by Becca, and it is the Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. And I have to say that I'm excited to receive this because this was on my wish list. This is a powder that I hear people say feels like water, and it's very good for dry skin. I am definitely excited to try this. I'm going to bring this in closer so that you can see it. And I know right off the top of my head that this is an expensive item. Let's take it out of the box and look at it a little bit closer. Get the fingerprints off. Really pretty packaging. I am really happy to receive this. This has been on my wish list for quite a while. I almost bought it a couple of times. Very happy to have this. So let's do the math. I'm going to put the total retail value of the box right here. And now I'm going to put the total of what I personally am going to keep and use and enjoy right here. So you can see the difference of what I got from my $21. I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to see more of these, please let me know in the comments down below. I filmed this just as kind of a one-off, but if you want to see them every month, I already get this subscription, so be sure and let me know if you'd like to see more. So let's do a quick outfit of the day. My battery's dying and I for real need to get to work like right now. So this bag that I'm carrying, I am loving so much. I got this at Marshall's. It is a backpack. I tend to wear it just slung over one shoulder like this, like it's a crossbody. I love the natural top color. It goes with everything, especially the Clark sandals that I'm wearing. It is made out of vegan leather, and I believe I paid $23.99 for this at Marshall's. The top that I got was a great find from Amazon, and I have to say I'm really impressed with this. It was so inexpensive, and I'll list these items down below. I have never ordered clothes off of Amazon before, and I thought for sure this was going to be a cheap, flimsy top. This fabric feels so nice. This part here that I'm touching is a very soft t-shirt knit. I love this detail here at the neck. I just think that crochet is so pretty. While I'm in tight, I have hoops on that I got at Boscov's off of a clearance rack. The shorts that I have on are by the brand Ellen from Walmart. and I just got these on sale for $11. Most of the pieces in that collection look a little too athletic for me. It's not really quite my style, but I love these in particular. They have this really pretty, almost a confetti embroidery coming up the sides, and every color that's in this colored embroidery are colors that I wear. So I thought it went great with this top. These are a very relaxed fit, and the reason I can tell you that is these are a size 4, and I do not wear a size 4. So these must be very relaxed, because in real life I wear about a size 6 right now. But I love them so much. I've done a front tuck with this top. It is very generously cut though, and I'll just show you that. Because I'm so short, I'm only 5'4", I kind of have to give my waist a little bit of definition, so that's why I almost always have a front tuck going on. And you can see how long this is in the back, but it doesn't bother me at all being like that. I am wearing my Clark sandals. I have these in every color. I just think they're so comfortable. And then the jewelry I'm wearing, I just did a Walmart clearance jewelry haul, and I'll try to remember to link that in the cards above. And I did exactly what I said I would do in that video, where I took a couple of the stretch bracelets that didn't come together and kind of mix and matched them. So I have a silver one from one set because I knew I wanted to wear these hoops that have a little bit of silver and gold. And then because this pulled out the coral or the red of my top, this was one from another set. And I do this often. I just mix and match them. And I think they are so pretty, and these were so inexpensive. If you haven't watched that Walmart jewelry haul, I will link it in the cards above. So this is my outfit of the day. Thanks so much for taking time out of your busy day to spend with me. I truly appreciate it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also consider hitting that subscribe and notification bell. That way you'll see my future videos. Until next time, bye guys.